One local nonprofit is finding a unique way to help veterans heal by casting a line. Good evening and thank you for joining us tonight at 9. I'm Brianna Moore. Casey Smith has the night off. The organization is called Heroes on the Water, and at no cost, they provide a free kayak fishing experience to local veterans. Fox 24's Gabriella Phelan spent some time on the water today and has more on the story.
It's kind of weird what a piece of plastic does. But once you get out on that water, it's serenity.
That's Brian Clark. He's a 14-year Army veteran with one tour in Afghanistan, but he's also the chapter coordinator for Heroes on the Water in Northwest Arkansas, a nonprofit that meets once a month to help veterans and first responders heal, all by casting out a line.
Kind of our motto is you're out there, you're the captain of your own ship. So a lot of times that just makes things in the outside world go away.
Clark has worked with the organization since 2018, and since then, he's seen stories of trial turn into testimonies of triumph.
We had a veteran, his name was Jonathan, and he's since passed away. He ended up being one of my volunteers. And he was wheelchair bound, like myself, but he had the fancy electric one, and we got his hind end out of that wheelchair, and we put him in a kayak. And he come back with the biggest smile I've ever seen on a human's face.
They call it an aha moment because the veterans come back to shore completely different.
The difference between when they launch as opposed when they come back. It's just their personalities, their persona, everything is different.
But Clark says his favorite part of all of this is the camaraderie veterans are able to find in one another, because no one knows a veteran like a veteran.
What makes me smile and my heart kind of pitter-patter, if you will, is when we serve lunch. You see all of them put their chairs together, we don't do it, and they sit around and eat and cut up and laugh, tell stories.